welcome to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? All right, so this particular video is a clumsy one. Okay, that's people returning from work. So but I'm gonna do my best to just talk us through it, and then I'm gonna be attaching all of the links that that's gonna help you work this window curtain. So like I said, we are Makisode. Yeah, you should do well to follow us on a weekly basis. We bring you brand new videos walking you through inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet, walking you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, demystifying what one celebrity or another wore. We walk you through patterns, we create patterns, we modify patterns. We have our galleries up on Instagram for wedding day party apparel, from the wedding dresses to the bridesmaids dresses to the wedding guest dresses. You can find those at Makisode Weddings. And then for our corporates, our casuals, our accessories, and our decor, yeah, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. All right, so yeah, this window curtain right here is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful one. Now, what's interesting about it, we used leftover yarn, or as you may want to call it, scrap yarn, to make this window curtain. So it's just it consists of circular motifs, yeah, multicolor circle motifs, yeah, and then what would I call these now? I'll call them spirals. I'll call them leaf ferns. Yeah, I'm gonna walk you close later so that you can actually see what I mean. But on the general, what you can see right here are circles. Circles started out as circles and then ended up with we created about, I think that's eight sides. Oh yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, actually 12. So 12 ended up with 12 shells that ended up that are like petals, so to speak. It is at the middle of those petals that we join them. So yeah, we created all of these circles first of all, and then created half circles. As you can see, that's a half circle right there. That's another half circle and another half circle. These we put a strategic points in the window curtain to give it a side, so to speak, to give it an edge. Yeah, so that's what it is. And then there's the last ones right here to also give it an end. So that's it right there. So yeah, there's a video walking you through how the circles were made. I'm going to be attaching that to the description box of this particular video. There's another video walking you through how the circles were joined, and then there's a third video walking you through how those how the rod tunnels, see the rod tunnels right there, how the rod tunnels were created. So yep, all of that we're going to show to you. Yeah, so that's it. There's a video showing you how the circles were made. There's a video showing you how the circles were joined. There's a video showing you how the rod tunnels were put together, right? And then yeah, right here are the ferns, the leaf ferns, and the spirals, right? There's also a video showing you how those are made. All of that I'm going to be attaching to this video. So like I said, scrap yarn project, leftover yarn project. This is an absolutely wonderful project that you can make with your scrap yarn and just beautify your living space, your workspace, your factory, your production factory, and whatever you'd like. Now, do you have questions about anything that I have said right here that's not clear? Do let me know in the comments. And then you love the window curtain, you'd like to own one, but you do not have the skill level to make it, do ask us in the comments. We'll do it for you for a token. Now, do you also want a pattern to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful window curtain? Also let us know in the comments and we would write you one for a token. Any part of this video, yeah, that is not included, its technique is not included in the description box, all of that will do for you for a token. But yes, everything you need to know, I'm going to be attaching the links in the description box. So yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and bye for now.